Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Oh, my hair looks pretty dreadful. That's because I was just out taking photographs, my last photograph sample images for the new Ricoh GR3 recipe that I'm going to release today on my website, calling this one Candy Color 400, I think. And the reason for that is because it uses the positive film effect built into the Ricoh camera as the base, cranks the saturation and the contrast, shifts the colors a bit to the magenta side of things, and it has a lot of pop, especially in the blues and in the reds, and I really like the way that it turned out. You're seeing the sample images up on the screen right now that I've shot the last couple days. I'm looking forward to being able to take this one out at night. I just haven't had the chance. There's nothing going on at night also because it's Ramadan where I am, so everything's pretty much closed. And let's see, yeah, again, if you want the recipe, it's on my website. There's a link down in the description, and there's a number of other recipes that are out there as well as beginning some reviews on some cameras and some lenses, so that content will be on the way soon. So hope you enjoy these images, and if you do enjoy them, hashtag your photos on Instagram, candycolor400, and I'd love to check out your work. All right, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys very soon because I actually have another recipe that's due to come out probably in the next couple of days. So thanks everybody for your support and your kind comments, and I'll see you later. Have fun shooting.